Day 2 of trying to do some making. Yesterday I managed to get all my boards kind of prepped, and today I'm going to try and do some lasering of the boards and see how far I can get. This might be hard to do holding the camera. Why didn't that turn on? Why did my laser not turn on? It's supposed to. Try that again. Hello. Shift. Oh, I hit frame or control instead of shift. It's just outside that a little bit, but it'll be okay. While that's lasering, I work on some other design stuff. Right now I'm working on hand and foot canasta game board, but I've got a couple things I want to change on here, so that's what I'm working on. This is the end of day 2. Managed to get the first 4 boards lasered. Then I had to run out to take my daughter to a class that she had in the city. So I've been gone for a few hours. Now I am beyond exhausted, sore, achy, I hurt everywhere, I have a headache. But I'm determined to get these first 4 boards cut out as well. So here's hoping I don't screw anything up, because when I get crashing like this, my brain doesn't necessarily work at peak performance. So wish me luck.